ailment and blue mood. But who will take care of Redhead now? She must have gotten sick too. Oops! Redhead comes down with the flu. That's what you get trying to help your sick friend. Redhead is also annoyed now. What should the friends do when they are both bored? We can't let viruses and bad moods overcome us. Dolly suggests playing fortune cubes. Knead sugar paste, putting in 3 different food colorings. We get pink, blue, and yellow. Shape the colored sugar paste into small cubes. We will need a container with a plastic cap. Make a square hole in the cap that is of the same size as the cube. Use a heated knife. Sign the blocks with a food marker. Write a letter on each side. You can play with the letters, building words. For example, love, gift, happy. Put the blocks into the container. Clean some space for the game. And now, toss the cubes onto the table and put words together. You can also tell fortunes with them. Close your eyes and take out a block. What's more, you can eat the blocks, and you must eat it to let your fortune come true. Redhead is obsessed with unicorns. She would definitely get a pet like this if she could. Because rainbow, glitter, and bright shades are her favorite combo. Redhead even comes up with a special cocktail, Rainbow Happiness with a glittering effect. Dissolve dry food coloring in water and pour the colored water into an ice mold. Take a cocktail cup. Cut the rim off a flat plastic lid. Mark the size of a drinking straw in the center and make a hole with a hot glue gun. Stick the straw into the lid and cover the cup with it. The length of the straw should be the same as the height of the cup. Hot glue the straw. Put on a big plastic cap on top. Hot glue the caps to each other to shape a semi-sphere. Pour water in it and add glycerin. There should be more glycerin than water. Put in glitter and caviar manicure beads. Close the hole. Hot glue a piece of clear plastic of the appropriate size on top. Attach chenille wire to cover the joining seam. Decorate the cap with a plastic rainbow on top. Pour Sprite into the cup. Add the colored ice. Put on the cap. This cool rainbow cocktail will make your lips shine at once because there is never too much glitter. Now, Redhead is ready to meet a real unicorn. She will treat it with her magic cocktail when it comes by. The awesome Rainbow Happiness with colored ice and glitter. If only a unicorn would come! Dolly loves different kinds of construction toys. She likes bright yummies too. She seems to be lucky today because a chocolate Lego is a combination of the two, a construction toy and a dessert. Melt white chocolate drops in a double boiler. Mix gel food coloring and color the chocolate with them. Fill a Lego-shaped mold with the colored chocolate. Make bricks of different colors. Let the chocolate harden. Take the chocolate out of the molds when hardened. Dolly is getting ready for a sweet game. First of all, she ties up a ponytail so that her hair doesn't fall into her eyes. And let's protect a light t-shirt now. Conjure pliers. No. Eyeshadow. So cute, but it won't do. A marker. Phew, my magic is downloading apps slowly today for some reason. At last, a napkin! Exactly what I need. Dolly is ready now. At first, she puts together her sweet bricks. She builds a whole sweet mall. And now it is time to eat everything. Colorful Legos is Dolly's cup of tea. And now she could cover and remove the traces of her lunch. Firstly, she makes the napkin disappear. And then Dolly vanishes herself. There is only a pink foundation of the Lego building left on the plate. Did you like our stress-relieving food? Then write in your comments what you are going to make. Chocolate Legos, jelly Orbeez balls, or happy pills. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on the Troom Troom channel.